a straight line passing through points -2, 1 and 6, 6, 3. We're told to find the equation of the line in the form of y is equals to mx plus c. So we're given a point -2, 1, and the other point is 6, 3. So assume now this represented as x naught and this is y naught. This will give us x1 and this is y1. We're told to write our equation in the form of y is equals to mx plus c, where m is our gradient and c is our constant. So we have to find the value of m, which is our gradient, so that we can come up with the equation of the straight line, which is y is equals to mx plus c. So how do you find the gradient? So the gradient is given, so m is given by what? Change in y over change in x. So we say, how is y changing from one point to the other, and how is the x changing from one point to the other? So you're going to see, how is y changing? That means it is y1 minus y0 over x1 minus x0. So this represents our y1 y0, x1 x0. That which is equals, now we take the value of y in this case, which is 3, y1, minus the value for y in y0, which is 1, over the x1, which is 6, minus the value for x0, which is -2. This will give us what? 3 minus 1 is 2, where 6 minus -2, that means is 6 plus. So minus give us plus. 6 plus 2 give us 8. When I simplify further, having by 2, 1, by 2, 4. That means our gradient m is equals to 1 over 4. So I need now to use this gradient to form now the equation which is m, which is mx plus c. So I will take one of the point, either this one or this one. Let me use x1, y1. So having a point 6, 3. So I also pick another arbitrary point which will be represented as x and y. So that the change in y over the change in x should give me the same gradient. So I use the arbitrary point x, y, and then other point given, which is 6 and 3, so that now I can come up with the equation which is y is equals to mx plus c. So I will take now 1 over 4, which is the gradient, is equals now to the change in y, which is y minus 3 over x minus 6, should give me what? 1 over 4. So I multiply this side by 6 minus 6, x minus 6, so that I can cancel this one, and also 6x minus 6, that this one can go with that one. So I'm having x minus 6 into bracket a quarter should give me y minus 3. So I multiply here, I'm going to have 1 over 4x minus 6 over 4 should give me y is equals to y minus 3. So because I want to be left with y in one side, I take this one to the other side. Now remember, you carry a to the sign. That means 1 over 4x minus 6 over 4 plus 3 should give me y. Right, so 1 over 4x, when I simplify this to give me what? Minus 3 over 2 plus 3 is equals to y. That means I can also rewrite this as 1 over 4x minus 1 over 2 plus 3. So, which is equals to y. This minus and plus, so I can also say that is 3 minus this. And when I subtract, it will give me what? 1 over 4x plus 1 over 2, which is equals to y. I can also write it in form of improper fraction as 1 over 4 x plus, we multiply here, give me 2 plus 3 over 2, which is equals to y. And I want to write it in form of y is equals to mx plus c. So this one becomes my constant, this one the gradient and x, and this is y. So the final answer will be y is equals to 1 over 4 x plus 3 over 2, whereby we have our value y as there, our quarter as our m, our x and our x, and also 3 over 2 representing as the constant. Thank you for watching us.